Do you think people they ignore you and you feel hesitation, you feel uncomfortable, or you want to become prominent, but even then people they insult you by not talking with you, not giving you the feeling of importance and uniqueness? Then you need to learn first impression, how to build. So stay with us. Here we go. Being a personality, what we really like about it, that people, they listen us, they admire us, they appreciate us, and everyone want to be loved. Wherever you go, what our preference is nowadays to become prominent amongst the people. And that is your uniqueness. That is your personal branding. So the topic we are going to discuss, which is about first impression is the last impression. So let me tell you a few things about, what is related to the science and related to non-verbal communication, or on the other hand, is if the first impression is that much important, then what happened if we lose our first impression, and what to do to build your impression once again. Got it? The first thing is that according to the science, keep it in your mind, first impression is very important. Our mind, research shows that the first 7 seconds are very important, and our mind make the prediction about the people. When you meet someone first time, very 3 to 7 seconds, people they predict about it, you're a good person, you're a bad person. And after that, whatever remaining information about your personality or about your background, people they judge on the basis of your first impression. Got it? This is mechanism according to the science. Next thing, why first impression is so important? Think about it, you are going to appear in any interview. In that interview, if first impression according to science is important, in that interview, if you're showing yourself as a weak communicator, as a weak interviewee, then you lose that job and they offer you less salary. And you're not the kind of person over there to memorize that after that interview or after a few days or month, they might not shortlist yourself to hire you. That's why first impression is very important. All right? And let's talk about nonverbal communication. According to the research, your nonverbal communication 58% important regarding building your impact, your impression. And after that, the next thing is important, your voice tonality. How much energy you have in your voice, excitement when you communicate with the people, how you connect them, how you give them respect. When you communicate others, your voice tonality is aggressive, is soft, is humble, it's what? After that, your words are just 7% important. Why don't you ask question with yourself? And the question is that, what you memorize about a person after 5 years? His words, dialogues, idea, or what you feel with him? You feel comfortable? How they get, or you get someone to feel. You feel someone to feel mental peace, you encourage him, you give motivation to that person, you help him to give a lot of ideas, but your impression, your presence with him is what is the symbol of to overcome depression, overcome stress, encourage him and push him to do something extra, to take the decision. So that's why your first impression is very important. And how about the body language? If you're standing in front of the people like this, cross hand, or you hide your hand behind you, which is showing that you're a shy responder, or you lean forward. Okay, it's mean you're an introvert, you don't speak too much with the people, you're not socialized personality. But nowadays, networking is very important. All right? And making impression, I'm not telling forcefully to build your impression. Impression, you can, don't impress others. Okay. What you need to do, if you want to impress, you must be realistic. Listen them. It's mean you give them respect. Give them response. What everyone like in this fast track life. When you give attention to someone, they feel more good. They feel comfortable. They start getting trust in your personality. Is it true? But the time has been changed. People, they think about it. If I speak more, I give more ideas, I share a lot of information, I can impress the people. This is the wrong way. You don't need to force yourself to impress others. Just speaking clarity is important. When you're speaking with the clarity, all right, with positive emotions, you build everlasting impression with the people. Got it? Now the question arises over here, sir, if we lose our first impression, so how to build it again? For that one, you don't need to afraid or hesitate. If you did something wrong, apologize. Encourage yourself to apologize that person. And the second thing, consistency is very important. Every day with the positive approach, okay, with the people to whom you consider in front of them, your impression is bad. So consistently, okay, good, positive things with them, positive response, and gradually you will overcome that impression. But it takes some time, because being a human, our brain pattern is designed in this way, on the basis of first information. We give more, our mind give more weightage to the first information. Suppose Mr. Jamshed is about to come and you don't know about Mr. Jamshed. Who is Mr. Jamshed? And I acknowledge you. Negativity about him. Mr. Jamshed is about to come. He is a new candidate and he will come. Be careful. Don't be so frank with him. Okay? And he is very bad guy. So especially get that vision, all right, to improve himself. But what we got this information from his family, that his family said that, okay, we want to get him to improve his communication skill. And he is the kind of person who irritate everyone. This is the story. And then what happened? Mr. Jamshed, he enters in the class, and if he is sitting with you, someone of you, what you focus? First information. The very first information which I deliver to you. He is a bad guy. I give a negative thought, putting in your file, and you create the brain pattern. Okay, he's sitting with me, it's okay, a little bit, okay, you ignore, okay, you're not going to be open with him. Hi, Mr. Jamshed, how are you? You become reserved. That's why first impression is really very important, right?